In the last 4 years, the Noal company has introduced the successful 660 platform into its range, which is at the origin of the sporty RS 660, followed by the naked Tuono 660 and the adventurous Touareg 660 platforms. 660 and 125. To fill this gap, Aprilia engineers developed medium displacement, thus creating the 457 platform, which debuted this year with the RS and will soon be joined by other road models. However, the crown jewel of Noal's company remains the large capacity models, equipped with the powerful Aprilia V4, the sporty RS V4 and the Tuono V4. These models face increasingly fierce competition, which in recent years has presented highly updated motorcycles, equipped with state-of-the-art technology and significant power increases. Aprilia, after launching the RS V4, a limited series model, seems to have renewed the V4 project, and it is very likely that at EICMA we will see new versions of both bikes, given that they share the same technical platform. In the last few days, a prototype of the Tuono V was spotted on the road. Although it sports a camouflage livery, some changes are visible compared to the 2024 model year. The redesigned fairing immediately catches the eye, with ringed fins inspired by the RS V4 and reminiscent of Viñales and Espargaró's RSGP, with the aim of generating downforce on the front wheel. The V4 engine with a 65 degrees angle seems to have been updated, as well as the cooling and exhaust systems to improve performance. Regarding the chassis, Aprilia's engineers seem to have kept the tried and tested aluminum frame combined with a double-sided swing arm. From the spy photos, the braking system appears unchanged, with radially mounted Brembo Stalma monoblock calipers. A new feature in place of the Öhlins semi-active monoshock damper, again in keeping with what emerges from the images. Finally, the tail section has been streamlined and can feature a new subframe. The tail light cluster, previously located under the passenger seat, now integrated with the direction indicators, disappears, resulting in reduced weight.